Hey there! In this video, I'll be showing you how to install this SUNLU heater into your Bamboo Labs Gen 1 AMS. First, we need to remove the stock AMS cover. Just flip it over and unscrew these 4 screws here using the Allen key provided in the SUNLU kit. Once it's off, we need to prep the SUNLU heater for installation. Just grab these 2 plastic adapters from the kit and fit them onto the ends exactly like this. Now we can just line it up over the mounting spot. It should sit flush and be perfectly in line with the screw holes. Keep everything held together and turn it over. Now we're going to take our 4 screws and secure them in place. I went ahead and magnetized my Allen keys so that I can easily lower the screws into the holes. This made the installation a breeze, and I highly recommend doing it if you have a strong magnet. 4 screws later, and we're finished. You've successfully upgraded your Gen 1 AMS. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.